Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Crochet Tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a keychain heart. So let's get started. First, I'm going to make a slip knot. I'm going to make a foundation chain of 13 or almost 14 stitches. So let's get started. Keep cross, yarn over and pull through the loop. Cross and pull through the loop. As you can see, I have made a foundation chain of 14 stitches. As you can see, now I am going to make a single crochet. Skipping this one, move into this one and pull through. You can see I have 2 loops on the hook and pull all of 2s. Again, make single crochet, 2 loops on the hook and pull through these loops. Same as I am going to repeat this single crochet on all the stitches. This is the round one. As you can see, I have made 13 single crochet. Now at this point, I am going to make one extra single crochet. As you can see, now chain 1 and now I am going to start the third round. Turn over and at this point I am going to make again single crochet. Again all contain single crochet. Same as I am going to complete the second round till at that point. As you can see, the round second is almost going to be end by this last single crochet. As you can see, now and round third is going to start and I'm going to make again single crochet. From that point to from that point. Do practice in a time I am going to complete the third round. As you can see, I have made almost the third round. Now I am going to end that round. Now at that point, I am going to make one more extra single crochet. Okay, then chain 1 and turn it over and at that point make again single crochet. Now round 4 is going to be started. Now I am going to make the same single crochet from that end. As you can see clearly, I have completed the 4th round. Now I am going to start the 5th round, again making single crochet. From that point to from that point. As you can see, the round 5 is almost completed. So at that point, I am going to make one more extra single crochet. You can see this is a straight end and you can see this is a slightly tilted end. Okay, now make a chain 1 and starting the 6th round by making the single crochet. as you can see. In the time I am going to complete this round, 6th round, you have to practice. Now I am going to start this 7th round by making single crochet from that end. Now you can look carefully. The round 7 is almost completed, and now focus out carefully what I am going to do in the 7th round. Now just skip this single crochet. I am not going to make a single crochet at this point because I am going to decrease its shape. So at that point, again turn it over and making a single crochet in the 8th round. If you wanted to look what I'm going to do this, so look at this carefully. Look at this. We have made almost at that point. Now we are going to start that round. As you can see, this round is completed and it is going to decreasing, as you can see. Now the round 8 is completed. Now I am going to start the 9th round. Again I am going to complete the 9th round. Now look at carefully in the 9th round, the end of the 9th round. Single crochet and again single crochet. I'm not going to make a single crochet at this point because again I have told you I'm going to decrease it. Again at this point I'm going to start the 10th round by making just a single crochet from that point to that point. As you can see, the round 10 is completed. Now I am going to start the 11th round by making just a single Now keep your focus in the 11th round because that point is very important. Now just skip 1, 2 or 3. I'm going to skip in 2. Just again this is the 11th round. Now I am going to start the 12th round. If you wanted to see that step in that, so this is the step. You can see, look like comparison. I have skipped it that point and now this is the skip. Now I am going to make the 12th round. Now you can look, I have completed the 12th round. Now turn it and start the 13th round. Again making the single crochet. In this round I am not going to skip or decrease any single crochet. You can see I have completely made all the crochets. Now turn it and start the next round. Round 14 is completed. Turn it and now again making a in the 15th round making a single crochet. In this round I am going to decrease the single crochet at the end of the 15th round. You can see I am not making in this stitch. This is a decrease. Again turn it and making a 16th round. So look at carefully in this side. I am not going to make in this 16 round. Okay, again turn it over and making the next 17 round. As you can see, the shape is almost completed. Now I am going to cut that end. You can see it, the both sides are equal, and this is the second. You can see. Now what you have to do is you have to connect these sides by using a needle or a hook. I am going to connect this with a hook. Okay. Now look at carefully. Take a mid of the front part and also the mid of the back part. And now I am going to connect these both by using the hook. Now look at this carefully. One part from this and one part from this, and making just a stitch. Again, both part from both sides and stitch. Same as I am going to make this. Do you connect the both sides? One part this and one part from this. Now what you have to do is you have to keep that side from both the ends from the inner side. Now again I am going to connect one part from the front and one part from the back, and making same as the stitch. Now its shape is almost like the zigzag or this. When I'm going to connect it now, you can see it's very clearly sharp edges. Now that part is very bit easy. You can look. Now you can look, I have almost reached at that point. This side is complete. Now making a chain 1, and now again connect these points. Just to make the corner of the heart. Look at this is corner. Same as I am going to do this from that end, at that end. Now look at this point. All the extra yarn you can insert it in the side, because I am going to fill it with the cotton. So look at this carefully. First insert the cotton at that end so the shape can be maintained. Now I am again going to continue from that part by connecting the both sides. It with side by side with your hand, as I am going to do this. It is almost complete. As you can see, a little heart. You can make it like this, a cushion. But just at that point, I'm going to make a keychain. Now I'm going to terminate its end like this one, so the chances of the opening the end may be less. You can terminate its end with a needle, but I am going to use a hook because it's easy for me. So at that point I am going to cut it, and as you can look, a small mini heart. As you can look, I have connected a ring of the keychain. So there is a heart of another color, you can see.